Welcome back, guys, to Love Budgeting Co. And I am Marie, and today we're going to be doing our March income breakdown. So if you want to see how we're breaking down what we're getting paid in March, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys, to Love Budgeting Co. I am Marie. I'm a single mom of a little boy, and I live on an island. I depend on government help, so my expenses and my financial journey looks a little bit different from you guys' at this particular moment.
Take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna.
Okay, guys, so here, let me zoom you in a little bit so you guys can see. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I would highly appreciate it, guys, if you guys show love by subscribing, sharing, and hitting a thumbs up. That way the video gets pushed out a little more. So here I have the date March, right? We had in carryover, if you guys saw February closing, we got $10. I just rounded it off to $10. It was some change, but I just did $10. Normally these $10 I shove into gas. Whatever I have left over, I put into gas. You guys know gas is my highest spend. Now, you guys know that I budget government help, and I don't have, I live in someone's home, so I don't have bills in that sense of paying a rent, a mortgage, light, water, nothing like that. So I'm barely now trying to make income using apps. All the app info, guys, is down below. All the apps that I use are down below, so make sure you check them out. When you use the link down below, you get a bonus and I get a bonus. Use those bonuses, guys, because they really help you accomplish the threshold really quick when you use those bonuses by using those links or using those codes. So in government help, we had $2.02 left over. In cash, we have, I predicted that I'm going to get $20 as per usual. In cash, you will always see $20. Although I don't have it, I predict that I'm going to receive $20 right in Jesus' name by using these apps and other things that I do. So here we predicted or projected $20 that we're going to be receiving. And then in government help, $360. I forgot to add those $2. Oops. But they're there, but I forgot to put them in here. And then in rollover, we have $10, right? So I didn't put here the app income because you guys know that I use this at the end. But cash, this should be down here because that's what I predict. So it's a total of $380, right? So in gas, I don't know why that has a +5. See, this is why I have to do this at the moment. Now I don't know why that has a +5. We'll see in the future, guys. When we expense track, we'll know what that +5 is. So in gas, let's say I did $25, right? Because I added 5. So let's say in gas I put $25. Maybe it's this 10. I think that's what I did. The rollover 10, I did 5 and 5 because that's in blue and this is in blue. That's what it is, guys. Maybe I didn't do this rollover because see up here we had 0. We had 0 up here, and then I put the 10 because I remember that in February we had 10 left over. And then I put it here in blue, and then we added, that's what it is, 5 and 5. Jeez Louise, see, I got to do this at the moment. When I leave it a couple days like this, I forget. Now in gas, we got $25 projected, right? That we're going to be putting in $25. For lunch, I did $5 just in case I should happen to go anywhere and need those 5. In school fund, we have 0. Personal care, we have 0. Groceries, we do 70% the first week and 30% the first 15 days of the month. The next 15 days is 108. Just if we need a little extra something. Now I've been doing all this in one trip just to save up on the gas bill. because gas be high, and it went up a little more, and I'm really feeling it. Like, I'm really feeling that, you know, this week gas went up a little more, and when I went to the pump, I really noticed that, yeah, it went up, and really, ooh, good Lord. I even stuttered and everything during this, I'm telling you. So, in miscellaneous, we did 0, and in household, we did 0, giving us a total of $390. Because remember, this was $390. I did not add those 10 down here because I don't have whiteout to fix it, but I did it here. That means, in total, I did it here, $390. So $390 should be up there too. If we go to sinking funds, we budgeted. Son's B-Day, we budgeted 0. Back to school, 0. Car maintenance, 0. Medical, 0. Glasses, 0. Christmas, 0. Mother's Day, 0. Father's Day, 0. Business, 0. Closing, 0. Giving us a total of 0 here. And these pluses we'll discuss as soon as we do the expense tracking. Emergency fund, 0. And it gives us a total budgeted of $380. Now, like I said, here we have to do my son's B-Day and Easter. I believe we're not funding, so we need son's shoes, which I've been looking for. So this I have an agenda. It's not that I don't have to purchase it, is now that I can't find the shoes because my son is a W, and for kids a W is really hard to find, guys. So that's been my mission now, so I'll just keep that on hold till I find the shoes. Now, and here we have car oil change, which I still don't have the mileage, but I do have money saved up for that. And printer ink, just to remind me, but it's not something that's like super essential, you know. Look at this. I forgot how to spell printer inker. Yeah. Okay, guys, so these are the things that I have as a reminder for this month. Like I said, I don't think I'm funding Easter. So I have written Easter, but I don't think I'm funding that. That's why I put a star. I think it's a no-go. So we have that there on hold. But that's how much we have to spend this month. So hopefully you guys did your March income breakdown. Hopefully things are fixed. This to $390 and this to $390. So hopefully, guys, you have put your income breakdown, and hopefully you have everything settled and you will have abundance this month. Like I said, all the apps that I use, they're all linked down below, so check those out. Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in our next filming session.